Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need iCloud enabled and Notes allowed to sync. Once done, open Settings, confirm Notes is on for iCloud. Next, update iPadOS if you see an update available so features match this workflow. Now open the Notes app and create a folder for organization. You can name it by topic. Then tap the Compose icon to start a new note. If you use Apple Pencil, make sure it's connected. Press and begin writing or tap the keyboard to type. You'll now structure the note so it's useful later. Add a clear title, then use headings, checklists, and bullet styles from the formatting toolbar to establish hierarchy. Once done, insert photos or scan documents with the camera icon. Sketches created with Apple Pencil become inline objects. Use tags at the bottom of a note to enable smart folder grouping and drag items between notes or into other apps for quick transfer. Make sure to regularly move completed items into archive. You should finalize by pinning critical notes to the top and locking sensitive ones with a password or Face ID. Once saved, Notes syncs via iCloud. Make sure you have a stable connection and give it a moment to propagate. If sync seems stalled, pull down in the Notes list to refresh or toggle Notes off and on in iCloud settings to force a resync. If a note disappears, check Recently Deleted and the iCloud account, recovering from their fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.